This is our first stage. We see this guy is making a frame, and also we see another guy at the back who is cutting panels. So after the cutting of panels, we join the structure together. And also at this stage, you see this guy is joining the structure, putting corners and channels. And now I'll also show you the control room where we have the clean water tank and the switches for the pump and also the pump as well. And now we have this guy who is making the doors. He's cutting the doors, making sure the right size. And here we opening space for the windows. And also at this stage, this is the plumbing stage. We are installing the toilets, and also we're gonna be installing the basins. These are ceramic. It's going to have ceramic toilets and so now we're just making sure that the toilets are fastened tightly, as well as the basins that they're tightly fastened. Also underneath we also tie them. And this is our draining valve and also our sewage tank, which is a 400 liters. Steps, is painting the steps, and also the wheel launches, the mud flips, is painting them. Now our baby is in one place. We have this guy who is doing the plumbing for us. He's just doing the plumbing and the other touch-up. Finally, the time we have been waiting for has come. The project is complete. The project is complete. We are Ndumezulu Projects, located in Kempton Park, South Africa. So don't forget to like and subscribe on our YouTube channel. And also catch me on the next video where I'll be showing you how these mobile toilets operate. So if you also want to get in touch with us, you can get in touch with us on 083 9723 823. I will repeat again, 083 9723 823.
I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna